Here's ideas on how to save AirTag battery life. There are few tips that can help you to save AirTag battery. Certain things that we don't do with AirTag, otherwise bad habits will kill your AirTag battery before its lifespan. According to Apple, an AirTag comes with coin type of battery cell that is easily available in the marketplace and online store. You can easily remove the AirTag battery. On the above card you can watch a full video guide to replace the AirTag battery. AirTag battery runs up to 1 year of life. Here's I show some factors that harm your AirTag battery, and if you will be doing it often, then your AirTag battery will die within half of a year. You can get more AirTag tips and tricks in the video description below. Now let's watch today's video. AirTag battery life count 1 year. It is based on everyday use of 4 play sound events and 1 precision finding event per day. In case of you ping more than 3 times in a day, then it will drain your AirTag battery. Definitely, to make sound AirTag eats battery. So if you found AirTag, then press on the AirTag to muffle the sound. Another thing is that battery life varies with usage. How you are using your AirTag that matters for AirTag battery life. The next thing is environmental conditions will impact AirTag battery life. For example, temperature. Too hot temperature always hurt any device battery. So try to put your tag in the convenient weather. One important thing is that replacement battery manufacturer. AirTag's 3-volt coin battery comes with non-rechargeable Panasonic lithium-ion batteries. The company said its battery lasts you for really long periods of time. In more, AirTag battery has high energy density and is ideal for equipment requiring relatively high current. Now after you replace your AirTag battery that is made by other brands, it may be possible AirTag battery life result will vary. There are many other factors that affecting the battery performance and life, such as battery age, more time to play sound on AirTag, etc. So you guys, this video tips will help you save some bucks. And you can extend your AirTag battery lifespan as possible. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.